As Sam has been mentioning all morning long, tonight's winter storm, it's going to bring some very strong winds, and that could create some hazards for you both at home and on the roads. 13 on your side's Aaron Sullivan joining us live from Grand Rapids. Aaron, good morning to you. How can folks prepare for this next round of winter weather?
Tanner, good morning. Well, I can tell you, you're going to want to be prepared later today. As you can see around me right now, visibility looks pretty good for drivers in the morning, but it's going to be quite the different story once you get off work. That snow is going to be coming down and visibility is going to be pretty much impossible to see in front of you. So I want you to be prepared. Make sure you're not rushing out of the office and rushing home, leaving some space in between the car in front of you and having your headlights turned on. Even if it's not dark out yet, that's going to help with that visibility, because this wind, we're experiencing it right now. It is absolutely freezing out here. This wind is picking up that snow and it's blowing it across the road, which is going to be hazardous. Now, for people staying at home in the Grand Rapids area, we did see last year a lot of people lost power during storms like this. So if you do find yourself without power today, we do have a few tips for you. Keep your doors closed. Stuff some towels in the cracks under your doors. Bundle up in loose-fitting, warm clothing. It's also a great idea to keep your faucets at a constant drip. This will avoid pipes bursting in the cold. And lastly, if you do use a generator, keep it about 20 feet away from your home. But also, like I said, it's about 25 degrees here. It is absolutely freezing. I am super bundled up and I'm still really cold. So please visit our website if you do need a warm place to stay tonight or over the next couple of days. We do have a list on 13onyourside.com of some warming places in West Michigan, so definitely utilize that. But for now, live in Grand Rapids, I'm Aaron Sullivan.